Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda. Well, today this is the look I will be creating for you guys. What do you guys think about this look? If you like this look, then keep on watching because I really love this look. And if you enjoyed the video at the end, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, today we're going to be starting off with the face. I'm going to go into my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade Cappuccino, and I'm going to be applying it all over my face. Just going to dot it all over, and I'm going to blend it in with my beauty blender. If you're using a beauty blender, the best way is to put this beauty blender, dip it in water, then bring it out, then squeeze out all the water in it, and it's going to be damp and make your makeup blend well and be flawless. So that is what I did, and I prefer you putting it in hot water, warm water preferably, because that's just going to make your makeup sink in and look good. So that's what I'm doing. Guys, what's up? What's good? Tell me what has been happening. I'm really sorry I haven't been doing much talk through tutorials because a girl has just been lazy. So that's why I just do voiceovers. But I think I'm gonna keep up with my talk through. This tutorial is coming off with a good start and I am happy about it. I'm going to be concealing and highlighting. So that is what a concealer does. Concealer hides all your eye bags and any dark spots, but I don't have that, as you can see. So what I'm just going to be doing is highlighting. So I use my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan to highlight underneath my eyes, my forehead, and sometimes my nose. Sometimes if I'm feeling good, I just highlight underneath my chin. So that is what concealer does. It hides all your dark spots, your blemishes, everything, hides everything away and leaves you sculpted. Okay, now we are highlighted and you see the look is coming together. I'm going to go into my benign banana powder. I'm going to use that to set underneath my eyes. I think I'm just going to set my whole face. Now tell me how I ended up like this. I just wanted to pack on small amount of powder underneath my eyes for the eyeshadow I wanted to do. And I ended up baking my entire face, guys. Oh my god. But if you guys want a detailed nose contouring tutorial, let me know down in the comments and I'm gonna deliver it for you guys. So let's go into the eyes. I'm gonna go and do my brows off camera because nobody wants to see that. You guys have already seen my brow tutorials before. If you haven't, go check it out. And if you guys want an updated brow tutorial, let me know. I'm gonna deliver it for you guys. Now this look is coming together and I'm really happy about it. Like, oh my god, it looks good. It looks good. I can actually rock this look like this, if I dust off the powder, I'm good to go. But that's not the end. We gotta do eyeshadow. Like, we gotta do eyeshadow. Is very important. So guys, I'm going to go into this red shade here and I'm just gonna pack that on my crease. Like, I'm gonna try to form the shape of the eyes I want. So I want a rounded look, so I'm just gonna pack it on my crease like this. So you can do the same thing if you're doing a cut crease, like a cut crease going out. You just pack onto shade in that shape of cut crease and you can be able to go from there. So I'm packing it on because I want the colors to be very pigmented. So that is like a trick to do. If you want your eyeshadow to be very pigmented, you pack it on top of the base or the concealer you use. Don't set it. Tip of the day, I'm going to this shade right here. I'm going to use that to blend out the edges of the crease to make it even more blended. because we don't want to leave it like this. It's kind of harsh at the edge. I'm just going to blend it at the edge. And I'm going to go into a black shade. This is a black shade. If you don't know what a black shade is, I'm just joking. Okay, now that it is blended, I love the blend. It's okay, not too much in my opinion. I'm gonna go into this silvery pink shade. I don't know if you can see it, but this shade, it actually has a pink tint to it, but it's looking silver, but it has a pink tint to it. So that is what I'm going to be applying on my lid, but I'm also going to cut the crease first. So if you're ever wondering, why do I always cut my crease? Well, I have hooded eyes. So if you have hooded eyes like me, when you apply, like my eyes are like this because I don't want the concealer to transfer, but when you apply eyeshadow on the eyes, it doesn't really pop out. It's, you know, my eyes are really small, so when the eyeshadow is on the lid just like this, it doesn't pop. But when I cut the crease, it opens the eyes more, and you know, it just looks better. But on lazy days, I really don't cut my crease, but you know, I'm just showing you guys what you can do to make your eyes look bigger. You can actually cut it higher, but I don't want to do that. I want this look to be something in the middle of dramatic and what is the opposite of dramatic? In the middle of dramatic and simple. Yeah. Now tell me guys, is this not a look? Is this not a look? I love this look so much. Oh my god. I say that for all my looks. So it might be a bit old for you guys, but I really do love this. What a difference lash makes. After lining my lips, I'm going to go into this pink lipstick, and I'm going to blot it at the middle of my lips. It's actually quite shimmery. And this is the finished look, guys. What do you guys think about this look? I love this look a lot. I know I say that for all my looks, but this look is something really fresh, glam, and I just really love it so much. What do you guys think about this look? If you guys like this look, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Share your thoughts in the comments down below, and also follow me on my social media. Instagram is Matilda___beauty, which is 3 underscores. Twitter Matilda_Duku. What else? Snapchat Matilda_Duku. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh my god, it doesn't be recording. Why? Oh my god, I can't talk today. Gotta put it in an we gotta put always remember oh my god, I can't talk today. I'm going to go sorry. Always remember